Kalumpong Yelekai Sports Kaba Laipo Jong West Khasi Hills District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Arhajar Arpusan kelas Sdang benta kasngi Arpulai Tarik Yayong Hamadan Nong Pathar Outdoor Stadium Hapendeng Rei. Kani kajing Yelekai Kaba Lai Sngi kala kring ya kajing Yashim benta Kaba Krau Hakaba Baro Kidon Kendai Spa San Pu Arngut ki Samla Yelekai Naki Arpu Hunriu Teli ki School Hakaleng ke District ki Batrang Ban Peni Yela ki Jong ki Sap Jong ki. Hakani ka skipli perda ya kate ka lumpung la sakhi ya ka jingdon lang uba S Masar executive engineer jong ka PWD roads nongston kumukongsan haka jingdon lang ka kong balarina sim ka district sports officer DSO West Khasi Hills district kiwe pat ki officer sarkar West Khasi Hills bat kiwe Kinoya shimbenta ki kentop ya South Spa khandai po arngot ki khana shinrang bat South Spa handriu phongut ki khana kanthei ki ba mi khmat ki arpo handriu tili ki school ki ba ya shimbenta ya ka bala sedang ru e ka lumpung da ka 100-meter race jong ki ba hapo khat prasnem kanthei bat shinrang lembat ki we de ki jingale kai
Everyone among us. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honor to unfurling the flag.
Till this very day, I am sure that he will be with all of you during these 3 days of this sport competition in which the district sport office of the district sport officer have organized. So at this very juncture, I also would like to say a few words regarding the importance of sports. Sports, as we all know, it is very important to each one of us, as being active in sport will not only enhance our physical fitness, but it will also boost up our mental health. There is a saying that physical health and mental health, they are interconnected with each other, because when you have a healthy body, that means you will also be mentally strong, and then you will be able to perform better in your academic studies. So I take this opportunity to urge and to request all the students here to take active parts in sports. It may be in any discipline. Some players are good in football, some players are good runners, some players are good in long jump or high jump. It may be any type of sport, but as long as you can stay physically fit by taking part in sport, that will be very good for your overall growth, especially in education. Sports policy in 2019. Going through this book, there is a word that says that the government of Meghalaya believes that participation in sports and games improves the well-being and quality of life and brings harmony, and also it promotes the economic activities. The government also, as we all know, from time to time, from year to year, it has spent a huge amount of money as a cash prize to successful sports person every year. And besides, the government has also provided some percentage in a job quota, in a government job. So we do have a great hope that with the initiative and the support of the government, sport person will be able to get a job opportunity in future. This will surely promote sport further, and maybe one day Meghalaya will produce good athletes and good sports person who will bring laurels to the state.